Hello and welcome to CSM Pilates. If you've ever thought about teaching Pilates, or you're already in a movement-based career and want to level up, you're in the right place. The College of San Mateo's highly rated Pilates Instructor Certificate Program is designed for exactly that. This in-depth program gives you a strong foundation in Pilates technique, teaching methodology, anatomy, history, and movement theory. Everything you need to teach with confidence. Whether you're entering the fitness industry or expanding your skills in a related field, dance, kinesiology, athletic training, physical therapy, sports medicine, or massage therapy, our program offers a holistic, hands-on learning journey. Every core course includes personal sessions, observation hours, and student teaching. You won't just learn Pilates, you'll practice it inside and out. Our graduates go on to teach in health clubs, studios, clinical environments, schools, and hospitals. Many become studio owners, program managers, and wellness entrepreneurs. The possibilities are wide open. Our mission is to equip you with knowledge, experience, and inspiration to empower others through the art and science of Pilates. Now, let's talk about how to find your certificate options. Pay close attention here because this is where people often get stuck. Navigate to our Degrees and Certificates page. In the Search Programs box, type the keyword Pilates. Then look to the left-hand side of the page under the heading Kinesiology. You'll find links to our 4 certificate options: Specialized Pilates Instructor, Comprehensive Pilates Instructor, Pilates Mat and Reformer Instructor, and Pilates Mat Instructor. Our Specialized Pilates Instructor Certificate is approved by the state of California and is classified as a Certificate of Achievement. That matters. It carries an 18 to 21 unit load, and students using the GI Bill or other financial aid can apply those funds toward this certificate. Click any certificate link to learn more. On each certificate page, look for a downloadable PDF in the upper right corner. It lists all requirements. Save it, print it, refer back to it. One important rule across all certificates is that you must pass every required course with a C or higher. Here's a quick breakdown of what each certificate requires. Our Specialized Pilates Instructor Certificate includes 1 unit of FITN 335 Pilates Mat Fitness, plus KINE 125, 126, 127, and KINE 300 Anatomy of Motion, and 5 to 8 units of elective courses. Our Comprehensive Pilates Instructor Certificate of Specialization covers the same core courses, minus the electives. Here's something worth knowing. Within the Pilates industry, both of these certificates are considered comprehensive because they include mat, reformer, and apparatus training. Both also require over 600 combined hours of classwork and homework, qualifying you to sit for the National Pilates Certification Program exam to become a nationally certified Pilates teacher. We're also proud to be aligned with the world-renowned Balanced Body curriculum, meaning our students can earn a Balanced Body certificate as well. If a comprehensive certificate isn't your path right now, that's okay too. We also offer our Pilates Mat Instructor Certificate, which is 7 units, including our KINE 125, 300, and 1 unit of FITN 335, and the Pilates Mat and Reformer Instructor Certificate, same as above, but with the addition of KINE 126. Now, let's look at scheduling, and this part is important. Our upcoming courses page gives you a projected schedule, but for the official schedule, always go directly to collegeofsanmateo.edu/schedule. That is your source of truth. Our courses run in a repeating 3-semester sequence. Students typically start with KINE 125, then KINE 126 the following semester, and KINE 127 the semester after that. KINE 300 Anatomy of Motion is currently offered each spring semester. FITN 335 is typically offered every semester, offered in 0.5 unit or 1 unit formats. If you register for a 0.5 unit section, you will need 2 of them to meet the 1 unit requirement. All core certificate courses, KINE 125, 126, 127, and 300, are currently offered Tuesdays and Thursdays only between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Ready to enroll? Here's exactly what to do. First, apply to College of San Mateo. Once enrolled, you'll receive a registration date. Our courses fill quickly. Register the moment you're able. If a course is full, add yourself to the waitlist. Waitlist spots are released first come, first served. When a spot opens, you'll have only 24 hours to register, so keep a close eye on your student email. If the waitlist is full, don't give up. Check your registration page regularly for openings. And no matter what, come to the first day of class. You can add to a manual waitlist in person. If a spot opens after the semester begins, your instructor will give you an authorization code to register. For enrollment questions, reach out to admissions or academic counseling. If you don't hear back right away, check our academic calendar to see when our offices are open. We'll get back to you as soon as we're able. Thank you so much for your interest in our Pilates Instructor Certificate Program. This could be the beginning of something really meaningful for you and for every person you'll go on to teach. I hope to see you in class soon.